I'm Brian Crowe, and I started Stonehealth back in the 1980s, and that's developed through to being the leading manufacturer in building cleaning systems. Because the company's been in existence over 30 years, it has built up a reputation for being reliable. We don't cut corners. We don't suggest our customers cut corners. They do a quality job. Start of Stonehealth was doing some demonstrations. I heard about this system in Germany that was able to clean buildings without doing any damage, and said, let's introduce it to the UK. People said, well, this is quite different to what we've seen before. And it was suggested it was slow, but what's that in the age of a building if it takes another couple of weeks? And that's what architects were saying. This is the sort of thing we want. And that was really the beginning of it. Then it mushroomed from there. With any business, you have to have confidence in the people you're working for. And hopefully specifiers have confidence in Stonehealth.
I'm Dr. Gerard Lynch, affectionately known in the industry as the Red Mason. There's been a number of projects down through the years. The one that will always come back to me is, of course, St Pancras, because that's where I first ever met Stonehealth.
The first major project was St Pancras Station, and it was lovely to see the contrast of the red brick with the Portland stone, which previously was just covered in black carbon.
We needed products and systems that also were very respectful of the historic fabric.
My name is John Fiddler. I'm an architect. I spent a long time in English heritage, and I was the chairman of the British Standards Committee that wrote BS 8221, a British Standard on Cleaning and Surface Repair of Buildings. The industry is in a state of flux, so there's a massive need for education and trainings, not just for contractors and for building owners, but also for planning authorities that are supervising or controlling how change takes place.
Well, we have an approved list of contractors, which we call on our Rosette register, and they have to meet certain standards. Every year they have to produce testimonials to show that the client or architects or whoever's responsible for the job, they're happy with. They have to have their machines serviced regularly and only use trained operatives and the correct materials.
And that's why they're so highly regarded, that they have very, very high standards and wish to do the best.
It's important that firms like Stonehealth exist for the industry because they actually care about what they're doing. They are marketing a value system for conservation, the technology to implement that set of values, and are giving support to those who buy and use their equipment. And that's rare.
Our historic buildings are part of a great legacy. The cleaning has to be done in such a way that the fabric never is distressed, so that this treasure that we have in our built heritage is maintained for the future.
And I derive personal satisfaction going past buildings like Westminster Abbey and St Pancras Station and see how good they look. And I feel as though I've made a part in that.